Hello beautiful people, thanks for clicking on this video. Hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I share with you how I make this banku recipe step by step. This is one of my favorite food, and I know after watching this video to the end you will make it one of your favorite too. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do and be part of this amazing family. To start with, these are my ingredients. I have my corn dough, also some salt to taste, and I will also be adding my cassava dough. So the ratio is 2 is to 2. Into a pot, I will go in with my corn dough, go in with my cassava dough also, then add 2 cups of water, then go in with my hand, mash it until it is nice and smooth. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, this is Gati Cooks, and we make anything related to food recipe. If you are interested, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to get notification anytime I post a new video. Okay, so our banku mixture is already on the fire, and this is the consistency I'm going for. This is not too thick and it's not too light too. So I'll be stirring it continuously to avoid having cooked lamb in the banku. Okay, as you can see guys, the banku has taken up and the lambs you see is not cooked, so I can easily break them with the help of the wooden spatula. So in a circular motion, I will bring the thickened dough towards me and gently press it to the side of my pot. So this is how I will be doing it until my dough becomes so smooth and nice. So while this is going on, I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always using your precious time to watch my videos. I do appreciate it, and God bless you guys so much. To my new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. You can also watch me on Facebook and my shorts on TikTok and Instagram. The name is Get Cooks, and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any money. So guys, as you can see, our banku is so smooth and there are no lumps in it. Are you still watching up to this time? If you are, thank you guys, and please don't forget to like this video, share this video to reach more people. Okay, lovelies. So this is our soft banku ready to be enjoyed. What will you be pairing this with? Is it with pepper sauce or soup? Let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't liked this video, please do, and also share this video to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next one.